Hey guys, here's a little short video of the welding cart I got from Harbor Freight over the weekend. Just put it together. It came together pretty good. One bolt was stripped out. Bolt and nut was stripped out when I tried to tighten it, so couldn't use one of them. Got my little weld pack 100 on here, converted it to MIG. Does thin sheet metal and nothing too thick. It works for me for right now. I need to get something bigger. Holds the helmet down at the bottom, gloves in the middle. The chains that hold the tank, I'm not a fan of them. They seem to just fall down. If you move the tank a little bit, they just fall off and come loose. So I'm not a big fan of them. But other than that, man, it came together pretty quick. Just all bolts and nuts. I think I paid like 30 something bucks for it with a 25% off coupon. So yeah, here it is. Here's the shop. It's messy. Screen press. My oil drain that I bought the other day. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy.